Welcome you all in this new video, and today video is going to be very interesting. Why? Because in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting phenomena of relativity. Okay, there is time dilation. Time dilation is one of the exciting and interesting phenomena of the relativity. Okay, and which was explained through the theory of relativity. Okay, which was given by the Einstein, the famous scientist, my favorite one. So let me explain you this story and this phenomena with the help of a beautiful story of two friends. Okay, as you can see on your screen, the one name is Itesh and another person name is Itesh, and this is Praveen. Okay, Itesh and Praveen are two good friends. Okay, and currently the age when this picture was taken away, it was 20 years. Okay, when these fellow are at the 20 years old, okay, they decided that Ashu was very interesting in this astronomical physics, and he wanted to know that what's there in outside the world. Okay, what's there in the black hole, what's there outside our Milky Way. Okay, so Ashu was with that aspiration inside. Okay, like I want to go. He was very excited, and he wanted to know. But Praveen was not that much interested that what's going on there outside the world. Praveen was like that I am happy with my own life on this earth. Okay, so he's told to Ashu that okay, you want to visit, you visit, but I will wait for you here only on the earth. Okay, but Ashu was convincing him that okay, you also came with me. But Praveen was like no, I'm not interested in outside what's going on there in the galaxies and whatever. Okay, so Ashu prepared a vehicle. Okay, he prepared a vehicle for himself and traveled with that vehicle. But Praveen waited for him on the earth. Okay, Praveen waited for Itesh for 70 years. Okay, when the Itesh came and Praveen went to visit and to meet the Ashu. Okay, so they were shocked by looking at each other. They were shocked, completely shocked. Why it is possible that Ashu went outside for the 70 years? Okay, 70 years. And when Ashu came back by knowing all the things outside the world, okay, the age of Ashu was just 27 years old. Here, one side, the age of Ashu who visited outside the world, okay, the age of Ashu was just 27 years old. And another side, the age of Praveen was 70 years old. It means that one side Praveen is a very old man, okay, and another side Ashu is still a very young man. But when they looked each other, okay, they were shocked. Ashu asked Praveen that what happened, भाई तू इतना बूढ़ा कैसे हो गया? And Praveen answered that I waited for you. मैंने तेरे लिए 70 साल इंतजार किया तो इतना बूढ़ा हो गया. But Ashu was like no, how it is possible? जबकि मैंने only सिर्फ 7 साल विजिट किया आउटसाइड स्पेस में, तो ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? These both fellow are very confusing, guys. So these fellow need answer. Okay, but unfortunately these two innocent people don't know about the theory of relativity or time dilation. So that's why today still they are living in the shock that how this happened. Ashu forget all the knowledge that whatever he gathered outside the world, they are still finding out that what is going on there. Okay, so let's explore this story further, that how it is possible that the age difference is so large, and why it is so. It is a fictitious story or it can be happen in the real life. So guys, let me tell you that this can be happened in the real life. Okay, so for this you just have to wait for 2 minutes, you will understand all the things. Okay, so as you can see that Einstein gave us various kind of theories, okay, regarding the relativity. So he gave the theory of about the length contraction, time dilation and mass change. Okay, so we will specifically focus on the change in time. Okay, this is called time dilation. So this is our that equation, time dilation equation. Okay, T dash is equal to T into 1 minus V square over C square. Okay, see, let me write it here. T dash is equal to T multiply 1 minus V square over C square. So guys, what is this T dash? T dash in this story scenario is the time which is experienced by Ashu. Okay, what is this T? T is the time which is experienced by the Praveen on the earth. Okay, that is experienced by Praveen, that is 70 years. Okay, 70 saal. And what is this v? V is the velocity with which that Ashu traveled in that rocket. Okay, the speed of that rocket. This is the speed of that rocket. And what is the c? C is the speed of light. That is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter second inverse. Okay, so now this is the scenario in the front of us, guys. So let me tell you a little bit that how this equation got. Okay, Michael Morley experiment provide the overview, okay, which was developed by the scientist or the mainly Albert Einstein with the help of Lorentz transformation further, and he derived the theory of relativity. Okay, Lorentz transformation is used here to derive this equation. What is the Lorentz transformation? It said that two frame of reference is moving, okay, relatively to each other. Let's say this is S dash is moving and S is at the stationary frame of reference type. Okay, so as here is the event is occurring anywhere. Okay, so we will observe through our coordinates all the things. Okay, and we get all the information about that event, and we specifically here derived it through the time. Okay, from the Lorentz transformation equation. Okay, so I'm not explaining it further, so it will be very complex for you to understand this story. Okay, I will simply use this equation here. Okay, so what is equation? T dash is equal to T multiply 1 minus v square over c square. Okay, T dash is what? It is the time what which is experienced by Ashu. Okay, what is this T? T is 70 years. Okay, which Praveen experienced on the earth. What is this v? V is the velocity with which Ashu traveled. Let me mention one thing here, guys, that if you have to create a condition so that this phenomena can happen, okay, that is that, so your speed with which the object will move, with which the Ashu's rocket will move, okay, that speed should be with the comparable of the speed of light. Okay, let's say we take the speed of light with the speed of that rocket with which Ashu is traveling, 0.99 c, means that the Ashu is moving at most with the speed of light. What is the speed of light, guys? 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter second inverse. Okay, so Ashu is moving with the 99% of the speed of light. Okay, so when this Ashu is moving with this velocity, so put the values here, guys, so you will get finally the value of T dash is equal to 7 years. It means that the Ashu experienced the time that is 7 years and Praveen experienced the time that is 70 years. So the overall concept here is that if you will move with the speed of light, the time will slow down, guys. जब आप कभी भी प्रकाश की गति से ट्रेवल करेंगे, उस समय पर आपके लिए जो टाइम होगा वो बहुत ही धीरे चलेगा. ओके, या यू कैन से दैट ये दो फैक्टर पे यहाँ पे डिपेंड होता है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वन इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट और यू आर व्हाट विद विच स्पीड यू आर मूविंग, and second thing here is that it can be also dilated through the gravitational potential, but in this case it is all because of the Ashu's speed. Okay, Ashu's rocket moved with the utmost speed of the light, which slowed down the time for the Ashu, and the time was normal for the Praveen. Okay, so that they were shocked and still they are living in the shock. Okay, that how this happened. So somebody, I want to request you, somebody, that share this video to them so that they will understand this concept. Okay, so with this, let's wind out, and I hope you like this story of two friends and the time dilation. Thank you.